Hi friends, my name is Stacy Haines with the Stylin' with Stacy Boutique in Wichita, Kansas. I am so excited to introduce you guys to the Ruth mock neck top today. Really like this top. Very soft fabric, and this is like a nice loose neck. It's not super tight. So those of you that don't like things up to your neck, just stick with me for a minute. I'm going to tell you all about it, okay? First and foremost, friends, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love to share fit and style videos here for you guys so that you have all the knowledge you need when you go buy your LuLaRoe. Everything can be found on my website. All my links are at stylinwithstacyhaines.com. So you can go there and find all the links to my Facebook group, my website, Instagram, and more. All right, so friends, let me introduce you to Ruth. This is Ruth. She is a mock neck top, kind of a throwback to the 80s when these were super popular, right? I'm in my true to size, which is extra large. I'm a size 16, 18, big in the hips, smaller up top. As you can see, it's a nice length. You get some good coverage with the Ruth. You can totally wear her with leggings if you wanted to. You can kind of pull her up and kind of ruche her with denim as well. So cute. Straight hemline through here. It's a nice, soft, ribbed material. Very soft, great stretch. I'm in my true to size and I have lots of room. Very, very roomy fit, okay? Nice sleeve here, and then here's the mock neck. And I'm not super big up top in the shoulders or in the neck, so the extra large fits me just fine. It does come up higher on my neck, but it's not like suffocating me like a turtleneck, okay? I can also do a size down in a large and have it be a little bit more fitted. It is a little bit more on my neck when I do the large, so if you don't like things touching your neck, stay true to size. You could probably even size up and wear it kind of oversized and style it a different way. I am going to show you guys what the large looks like just so you have that reference. All right, friends, so this one here is a large. As you can see, it's a little bit more fitted on me, especially through here where I'm a little bit bigger because I'm pear-shaped, but it's still not tight because this fabric is really, really loose and relaxed. It still has a really great fit. It just kind of sits right on my hips, but it's not like stretching and way tight. Is more tight up top, and then as you can see, that mock neck is just a little bit more fitted up top, but it's still not tight for me. Again, I'm small up here, small neck. If you don't like things touching your neck and you don't want that, maybe not size down, maybe stay true to size. But I really like the look of both. It looks great with like denim jeans. It's going to be great with leggings. The Lena pants, it looks amazing with. I actually paired this one with an orange pair of Lenas and took some pictures earlier. I paired it up earlier with a Marcia skirt tucked in, a Sophia skirt. I paired it with Diane pants. What else did I do? Denim and shorts. It's a great piece. It's going to go with lots of things. And then in the wintertime, it's going to be nice to layer this as well. And you got that a little bit extra coverage there on your neck for that chill in the air, okay? So be sure to check out Ruth. She is great. I really, really like her. This fabric's really soft and stretchy as well. She's $38, great price. There's some really good prints and solids. There's solid black, there's navy, there's green, there's a cool like textured pink one, some really fun ones. So check them out on my website at stylinwithstacyhaines.com. If you have any questions anytime, please feel free to ask. Thanks.